Hello everyone, this is Crystal. Today I want to introduce you our new developed multifunctional screwdriver. It packed in a very nice PP box and with transparent window. Let me show you. And it is with 34 bits. 34 bits and with two adapters. One high technology Type-C USB cable and one magnetizer, and also here the surface is very nice with soft. Okay, and we have also the function for non-touch measurement here. Yes, what is it? Because if you are doing your screw working and if you touch here, we touch here, and then you can, if you hear dee, so a sound, so means here has some electricity, so pay attention. Dangerous. It's very nice function. And also here we have LED, also very bright, yes, with high lumen. And here is Type-C charger, and here's forward, and for sure has reverse. And the magnetizer, yes. So if here all the bits has magnetic, and if lose some magnet, you can just put here just for 1 minute and then get magnet again. So let me show you how to do it with the adapts, long adapts here, put here inside, and then we can have here. So if use just like a normal screwdriver, yes, it's very simple to do. Anyways, okay, we have also here LED work light, and also we can, if you want to have the small bits, you just using this small adapter again and then put here. Yes, very simple to do, and here is very soft, very nice. And also here we put here inside and here inside, and this is Type-C charger. Just make here very simple and very easy, and so it is also very nice for your Christmas gift or your Father's Day gift. It's very nice. Okay, thank you very much for your kind attention, and if you want to have a quotation or samples, just contact with us. Thank you so much for your kind attention and listening. Thank you.